Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file S-Corp for LLC step by step. Check eligibility first, then gather your EIN, member details, and chosen tax year. Complete and sign Form 2553 accurately, choose an effective date, and file on time. Keep copies, notify payroll and bank, and consult a tax pro if any member or state issues appear. Stay organized to avoid penalties and ensure smooth federal recognition of S-Corporation status. Start by collecting your LLC documents, EIN, and member information to streamline Form 2553 completion. Verify ownership percentages and ensure all members agree and sign where required. Choose the tax year and confirm no ineligible shareholders exist. Filling the form accurately reduces follow-up and processing delays. Maintain digital and physical copies for records, and prepare to update payroll and tax withholding once S status is approved. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe for more clear tax walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy during long hours of filing and deadlines. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can stay comfortable while you work. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Fill out Form 2553 carefully, entering EIN, tax year, and effective date, then obtain all member signatures. Submit the form per IRS instructions and track the response. Processing may take weeks. Once accepted, update payroll, distributions, and tax withholdings to reflect S status. File any required state elections too, since state treatment may differ. Keep communication open with your accountant to handle filing nuances and follow up on IRS correspondence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.